Hello, little artists and adventurers. Hold on a minute. Did someone press the rewind button on a snake's adventure? Alright, sneaky snake, let's start from the very beginning. Hello again. Today we are going on a colorful journey with a super cute snake. If you're as excited as I am, give this video a thumbs up. Let's dive into our little coloring adventure. First, let's do some sketching. Let's start with the body and then let's do the head. Our snake looks so happy. Let's give it a cheerful smile. And don't forget those big adorable eyes. Let's draw some patterns on its body. I am coloring our snake with a light grey. You can choose any color that you like. You can choose a green or a bright yellow. Let your imagination run wild. Do you think our snake has any friends? Maybe a butterfly or a little bird. If you're enjoying this colorful journey, make sure to subscribe to our channel for some more fun adventures. Now where is your snake? In a garden? In a jungle? Or maybe a magical forest? We will now be coloring the patterns in a brighter color. If you've colored along with me, give yourself a big clap. And if you'd like to share your artwork, ask your grown-up to help you leave a comment below. Coloring is like magic. With just some pencils or crayons, we can create a whole new world. And every time you join me, we make magic together. Thank you for joining me, little friends. Remember, every day is a chance to create something beautiful. Until next time, bye-bye.